Hi everybody, my name is Elliot Wright. I'm Executive Director of Environmental Volunteers. I'm thrilled that you're here with us for our brunch. This is our 49th year of inspiring a love of science and nature, and we have reached more than 460,000 kids since we were founded in 1972. This year has been incredible. We have a slideshow for you of what we've done, and I can't wait to show you what we've got coming up. So thank you so much for being with us.
Down the trail. Okay, and so if it's done. Okay, and this could be a creek, but I see no water.
They're still alive at the root stem, and so they come back again. Wow. Isn't that amazing? We just stopped at the side of the trail and it was just like,
Marcia Dislin, and I've been with Environmental Volunteers for probably 8 or more years.
Hi, my name is Max, and I've been with the Environmental Volunteers for the past year.
I'm Diane McCoy, and I've been an environmental volunteer for almost 4 years.
I love how they were able to just transition. This program's been here for 40 plus years, and all of a sudden everything had to go virtual. We're back in the classrooms providing science education to the kids that may or may not have it.
All during this year, the EV staff has been so supportive and caring and encouraging to us volunteers.
This year has obviously been really challenging for everybody, but Environmental Volunteers has done a great job in kind of educating me and allowing me to become an effective teacher.
So it's been really fun getting to know the kids in the classrooms a little better, because I might be seeing these kids 3 or 4 different times. They get to know us and they're familiar with us and just are excited about learning.
It is so commendable how EV has adapted to all the pandemic conditions.
This is what nature looks like where I am. Hi, I'm Tumbleweed. I'm in New York City, and this is what nature looks like around me.
I'm super excited because I found some baby lambs to show you, and they match my mask. Yay!
This, for example, is what that seed looks like when it's popped out of the shell and it started to take root in the ground.
He's going to explain the different parts of how he keeps his hives.
Yeah, we're here in our home state of Washington on the Washington coast, and this is what plastic pollution looks like near us.
Honestly, this pivot to an online model has opened up a lot of new doors for Sprout Up to grow.
We've converted our lessons to an online format to make them more accessible. Here in New York City, we've made lessons that are New York City specific.
We've modified our 8-week curriculum to a Zoom-friendly format, and we've already taught over 300 first, second, and third grade students via Zoom.
Learning to care for and interact with our planet is super important, and I absolutely cannot wait to start teaching.
Colors on that.